તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ.
It was love at first sight. इसने मुझे देखा, उसको प्यार हो गया, मेरे पीछे भागी है 3 साल तक. मैं बोल रहा था नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो बोल रही थी हाँ हाँ हाँ.
बिग बॉस में भी लोगों ने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि कपल है, बिग बॉस में जा रहे हैं, लड़ेंगे. लोगों
के माइंड में जो टिपिकल रोमांस होता है वो सब बकवास है. लेकिन मेरा तो वैलेंटाइंस डे हर रोज होता है.
जितना ज्यादा दिखावा होता है उतना ही पीछे ज्यादा गंद होता है.
There was this one episode when Sarah was really angry on Avinash and everybody, and Arfin tried to like calm you down, but after a point he was like, "Okay, be in your space."
I'm Tina Chauhan.
Oh, and
she's Kanchachina. She changed.
How? You're a mind coach, but I've been with you for a very long time to understand this.
And
he was not telling his parents about our relationship. Okay. मैं सीधा पहुंच गई उनके घर पे. Hi. Filmy wedding he gave me.
Can you please pass me the Please pass me.
ले रिमोट क्या टीवी ले ले. Big Boss टाइम याद आ रहा है. Why did you leave your shoes there? I'm not mad. Just disappointed. I am Sarah Afin Khan.
And I'm Afin Khan.
And you're watching us
on Midday.
आज मेरे साथ जो कपल हैं इन कॉन्वर्सेशन विद मी, उनमें से जो हस्बैंड है, अगर उनके भाई से अगर कभी कोई पूछेगा कि उनकी भाभी कैसी हैं, तो वो हमेशा बोलेंगे मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन किसी सिंघम से कम नहीं है. So hello and welcome to Midday. This is Shaji Chaturvedi and today in conversation with me is the amazing couple जिनने बिग बॉस में हम सबका दिल जीत लिया, सारा आरफीन and Arfin Khan. Hi guys, welcome.
Hello.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Very good. It's been interesting after coming out of Big Boss.
हाँ क्या?
हाँ मतलब I'm missing it.
You missing Big Boss?
एक अजीब एडिक्शन है. जब आप अंदर होते हो तो आपको लगता है कहाँ आ गए, और जब बाहर आते हो तो आपको लगता है oh my God, I'm actually missing the drama, missing the people, missing no phones, being in the moment. जितना भी हो, झगड़ा हो, मस्ती हो, खेल हो, it was very special. बहुत स्पेशल था वो मिस कर रहे हैं.
अगर सारा आपसे मैं ये पूछूं कि बिग बॉस के बाद, बिग बॉस से बाहर आने के बाद, बिकॉज आरफीन पहले बाहर निकले थे एंड देन यू केम आउट. हाँ इन्होंने
इसने ही निकाला.
हाँ मैंने निकाला, मैं बिग बॉस हूँ.
तो बाहर आने के बाद आप दोनों के बीच में कुछ चेंज आया लाइक एज अ कपल?
आई डोंट नो, मैं इससे लाउडली बात कर रही हूँ.
बहुत ज़्यादा लाउड बात कर रही है. मतलब ये ना जैसे घर में आदमी की आदत हो जाती है कि बोलेंगे आफीन I'm here. Like, इतना नज़दीक होगी लेकिन वॉल्यूम इज लाइक 10 times more.
Oh, so that's the change.
That's the biggest change. Apart from that,
वहाँ पे लोग सुनते नहीं है ना.
हाँ.
So you have to get so used to like talking loud and that drama and fighting that.
और मेरी जो आदत है खाली सुनने की.
3 महीने से ये किया है हमने. Oh please हाँ, आदत है सुनने का. Don't start then.
I feel कि आप लोग का प्यार करने का तरीका लड़ाई करना है, मतलब वो फन वाली.
एक्चुअली हम लोग का बहुत अलग है. लाइक जैसे बिग बॉस में भी लोगों ने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि कपल है, बिग बॉस में जा रहे हैं, लड़ेंगे. लेकिन हमारा लड़ाई एट द मोस्ट ऐसे है, लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक लड़ना और फाइट करना, आर्ग्यू करना, बीइंग पॉसेसिव एंड बीइंग इनसिक्योर. नो, दैट्स नॉट द लड़ाई.
मेरे हिसाब से जो आप लोगों के माइंड में जो टिपिकल रोमांस होता है वो सब बकवास है.
अच्छा.
रियल नहीं है. वो आएगा मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन में या दिल वाली दुल्हनियाँ ले जाएंगे में. इट्स नाइस रोमांटिक इन द हेड, लेकिन रियल रोमांस जो है वो बड़ी प्रैक्टिकल होता है. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल वैलेंटाइंस डे, इट्स वेरी नाइस, लेकिन मेरा तो वैलेंटाइंस डे हर रोज़ होता है.
क्योंकि अगर आप आजकल के कपल्स को देखो, it's a very Instagrammable romance, if you know what I'm saying. Whatever they do, first of all, they do it for the camera. So even the proposals will be proposals for the camera. Everything basically is for the camera. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है जितना ज़्यादा दिखावा होता है उतना ही पीछे ज़्यादा गंद होता है. गंद in the sense you can't keep up to whatever you promise. चांद, तारे, moon, flowers, dresses, jewelry, whatever. But basic values जो होता है of trusting, of understanding, of respecting, that is missing.
अच्छा, तो ये लव स्टोरी स्टार्ट कैसे हुई?
सिंपल सी स्टोरी है। उसने मुझे देखा, उसको प्यार हो गया, मेरे पीछे भागी है 3 साल तक। मैं बोल रहा था नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो बोल रही थी हाँ हाँ हाँ। वो आखिर में गन मेरे सर पे रखी है, मैंने शादी कर ली।
Wow. I should give Rohit Shetty your script.
ये मेरी बायोग्राफी है, मेरी
Oh my
ऑटोबायोग्राफी।
god. I think a film should be made on this only.
Yeah, look at the action-packed film. बेचारे को शादी नहीं करना
और
था,
उसमें से
उसके पीछे और फिर सीधा
इसकी फैमिली बोल रही थी नहीं, मेरी फैमिली बोल रही थी हाँ। फिर गैंगस्टर आ गए बीच में कि इसकी शादी की कोई गैंगस्टर से होने वाली थी। तो मैं आके इसको मैंने बचाया, फिर और भी प्यार हो गया इससे। थोड़ा सा
Now should we get back to reality? अगर हो
Let's
गया
do
हो
that.
ये तो सब
हाँ.
you know Singham again 3. So the thing is, it was not love at first sight.
can I just say something?
What?
It was love at first sight
From your side? Or her
from my
side?
side,
Oh.
लेकिन not first moment। मतलब मुझे
New मैंने कभी नहीं सुना है।
जब मैं इससे मिला था, मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था। इसकी हेल्थ ख़राब हो गई थी, उसको टीबी हो गया था। तो मैं उसको हॉस्पिटल में मिलने गया, वो बेड पे लेटी थी और मैंने बोला मैं ऐसी शादी करूँ।
Imagine
Are you serious?
This is true।
when he saw me sick.
But that's cute, no, Sarah?
Very cute. या तो शायद उसको लगा मैं मरने वाली हूँ, इससे अच्छा इसको शादी कर लो और फिर
Disgusting। But it's true story।
yeah.
How many years did you guys date before getting married?
5.
So from dating to now being married and having 2 kids, cute kids, what has changed between you two as a couple?
She changed।
How?
I'm leaving।
For me, you changed. How? I've become better. I've become a mother, which is more, you know.
See,
I think
notice, जब मैंने बोला she's changed, everybody assumed it was a bad change।
no, but
True.
you said I'm eating, so that was like
No,
a
meaning
break.
I was eating.
When you say something good about somebody, no, तभी eating का ख्याल नहीं आता है.
True, I agree with
So,
that.
no.
You're a
but-
mind coach, but I've been with you for a very long time to understand this.
She's changed, she's become much calmer। और ये बोलना थोड़ा
I
strange
think
है।
Big Boss viewers
जो
will
Big Boss viewers बोल रहे होंगे कौन सा काम भाई।
ये काम है.
ये
No, but
काम।
honestly, जो Big Boss में हुआ,
Yeah.
that is for Big Boss. It was required.
Sarah, you right now just talked about Big Boss. That reminded me कि in the house you were both of you were telling a very, very sad story, to be honest. And behind your back, people were saying, and even I think, if I'm not wrong, please correct me if I'm wrong. Big Boss also said this कि they are using their story to get sympathy. जब ये चीज़ आपने बाहर आके देखी, Arfin, you as her husband, did you feel something like
No,
you?
I'll be honest
सबसे
with
पहले
you।
तो I've not seen any of the
हाँ, she's
previous
not seen.
episodes.
Okay.
तो मुझे अभी तक पता नहीं कि हमारे पीठ पीछे क्या हुआ.
That
Okay.
I've seen because someone told me to watch it। See, personally, my perspective, I'm not bothered because my nature is that I don't care what people say। From a show perspective, it was disgusting। Now, अगर जो लोग घर में हैं, I think every one of them were very good actually। जब मैं बता रहा था ये, लेकिन जब
Yeah.
करणवीर को confession में लेके आए थे,
Yeah.
Big Boss said that we're using this to get publicity। So अगर ये होता, तो जो मैंने performance दी है वहाँ, if he wants to call it performance, मुझे उसके लिए एक फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड तो मिलना ही चाहिए। I think it was pretty good। And how I can cry on demand, wow, मतलब I must be really good। और मुझे sympathy की क्या ज़रूरत है? मैंने मतलब वो
I don't think we ever have gained sympathy or played victim.
In
We're
fact-
very strong people like that. In fact, after Afeen was eliminated, if you remember, I broke down because they want to target couple को पहले target करते हैं.
Yeah.
और इनका elimination बहुत shocking था because he was doing very well and he was all over the camera on the screen. There are a lot of people that should have been out who did nothing. They were still there. His elimination was shocking not only for us inside but for the audience outside as well. So I broke down. I couldn't believe this can happen. उसके बाद I took the reins in my hand. I said, now I'll teach everybody a lesson. So अगर मुझे sympathy gain करना होता, तो I would be down and I would be out next. You know, I said, stuff the sympathy. Nobody cares about sympathy, by the way. The more you're the victim, the more you're targeted. So right now का जो ज़माना है, you know, the more you are standing strong for yourself, the more you're fighting. You're forward. I don't want anybody to know my love story or my sympathy story or my what I have gone through in my life. वो तो एक moment था जो निकला.
There was this one episode when Sarah was really angry on Avinash and everybody, and Arfin tried to like calm you down, but after a point he was like, okay, be in your space.
Yeah, I said, do what you want to do.
And there was really something which I haven't seen before. So, do you guys really do it in your regular life also that, ठीक है, तुम्हें तुम्हारी space चाहिए, I will not come?
See, I don't know what her opinion is, but my perspective, if she sends me a message of anger, I would delete it. I won't even read it. Personally. If she's yelling and screaming, I don't yell back. I just don't do it. Not because I can't. What's he going to do?
सबसे पहले तो we've never yelled at each other. It's always been something which maybe, stop that. Maybe I'm arguing with the staff or something.
Yeah,
but in terms of Bigg Boss, see, normal जिंदगी में जब हम और आप झगड़ा करते हैं और अगर मुझे लगता है कि you betrayed, I will just walk off. Maybe I will not answer your text messages or calls or whatever.
Okay, so after so many years of being together, fighting, loving each other, and now parents to two beautiful kids, if you guys have to name your love story, which Bollywood movie it will resonate to?
That's new. How do we?
That's a good question.
Thank you.
हम साथ साथ हैं.
हाँ, वो भी हो सकता है. साथ. Yeah. I'm thinking of that English movie, you know. But I can't get that movie's name. After we met. Oh.
Actually, it's a mixture of movies. It's हम साथ साथ हैं combined with Agnipath.
Oh my God, Arfin. हम साथ साथ हैं combined with
I'm
Agnipath.
Vijay Dinanath Chauhan.
Oh, and she is?
She's Kanchachina.
Oh my. I am sorry, Sarah.
बंटी बबली भी बोल दो.
हाँ, वो भी है. बहुत मस्ती की है.
Okay.
Like seriously.
I can really see it.
Now I have to admit, from that aspect, solid masti.
Yeah?
Yeah. बहुत शैतान है ये.
I can see that in both of you. Arfin, you're
नहीं, मैं तो
equally
बहुत
shaitan.
मासूम है.
Imagine. इसके पूरे खानदान को when they didn't know me properly, लंदन में, मैंने डराया जैसे बिग बॉस में भूतनी बन के डराया. इनके फादर को, मेरे फादर इन को डराया. He's kept my name vampire.
Oh my God.
Calls me vampire. How is the vampire?
When we were not married, मेरी फैमिली को नहीं मालूम था. ये लंदन गई है. मुझे फोन कॉल आता है. My mom and dad. आओ आपकी फ्रेंड आई है यार. मैंने बोला कौन सी फ्रेंड? वो सारा. मैं बोला आपको what the hell is she doing in my house? You remember?
When we were dating.
And
he was not telling his parents about our relationship.
Okay.
मैं सीधा पहुंच गई उनके घर पे. Hi.
Then my dad goes, कौन है? मैंने बोला friend है. बोलता friend. बहुत अच्छी friend है.
Did she tell them that
No.
you guys are dating?
No, she didn't. She made it obvious.
Wow,
What she
Sarah.
said was, उसको बहुत पसंद, तो ये लड़की तुमको बहुत पसंद करती है.
Oh my God, Sarah, you
You know
are
what she
मेरे
amazing.
फैमिली को सब पता था ना.
Hello. You know what she used to say to me when she was dating me? I'm your number one fan.
Wow.
She said it for years. Now I'm her number one enemy.
अपना ख्याली पुलाव बनाओ. But yes, the reason also that I told him that number one fan is because जब मैंने इसके seminars देखे ना, मैंने पूरा अपना course of action change किया of my life. Because the first time I saw this individual standing and giving seminars, thousands of people, he was talking so much sense. I didn't know human mind was so fascinating. And then I started studying the subject because I wanted to also understand the human mind. Wow. So it was crazy that the lives used to change, that the work he does. Naya dekha tha maine. I was like, oh my God, this is incredible. And I saw people make a change in their life and for better, and how. And I was like, oh my God, this is insane.
After knowing Arfin in this almost 30 minutes conversation, if I ask you one filmy thing that he has ever done to you, what it was.
Oh,
Filmy wedding he gave me. He knows I love candles. घर पे भी
My
6 बजे
wedding-
के बाद मेरा candle start होता है. इसने make sure किया. We married in Dubai and Mina Salam Hotel. It was
Rolls Royces, yachts.
वो तो छोड़ो. That is
नहीं.
okay, a luxury part of it. I'm talking about
Candle.
my dream. The whole venue was only candlelit. There was no light. Only candle. Only stage पे थोड़ा सा light. The whole venue was candlelit. So each table had this beautiful, dramatic Devdas candles.
I bought her a car. I wrapped it up in gift wrap and drove it to her.
Wow.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah.
Okay, he is filmy enough then.
हाँ, मतलब
I am,
मेरा
I am.
असर है.
आपका असर है. I agree.
You know, when I was at school,
हाँ.
I fell in love with this girl. I wrote her a 120-page book of poetry.
Okay.
That's how romantic I used to be.
Are we talking about
But
my
she-
and your romance?
No, then she broke my heart.
Okay.
And after that day, I said, I will never be romantic again.
And then you met.
And then you.
Then I met Sarah, then I started being romantic.
Okay.
Then I actually, I think I'm probably scared of romance. Makes me feel weak, vulnerable.
Really? Should make you strong.
I think myself, if she thinks that I cannot live without her, then that's a very scary place to be. I'm an independent oak tree. And I want to be able to take care of everyone under the...
I think somewhere down the line, every woman wants a strong man. You know, वो शुरू में अच्छा लगता है. I can't live without you. I need you. When you grow up, then you say, really? Like, come on. How would you take care of me? Like, if now you're falling weak, you always somewhere down the line, you want a strong man behind you. If he's dependent on you, somewhere in your subconscious, you won't respect him as much.
Yeah.
You know?
I think so.
I think I can't live without you, tum mere jigar ho, and all that stuff.
So on that note, I have a very fun game before we wrap this interview. I'll give you very simple phrases जो हम लोग regular life में use करते हैं, and then I will give you emotion, and with that emotion you will have to say this to each other. Okay?
Okay.
So first one is for Sarah. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed, but you have to say it like you are expressing love to him.
Love.
Yeah.
Love or lust?
Love.
Lust. We have changed it. Lust.
I'm not mad. Just
Disappointed. Okay. Can you please pass me the remote? You have to say it in a very peaceful, polite way.
You mean just be myself?
Oh my God, Alfreen. Okay.
Can you please pass me the remote? Please, pass me.
ले रिमोट क्या टीवी ले ले.
Okay, Sarah. No, I don't mind. You go ahead, but angry.
Oh, just even think of Big Boss.
I don't mind. But try going ahead.
Oh my
That
God,
was
it
nice.
sounds like a donkey to me.
Exactly. This is
Yeah,
what I
that's
would
it.
say.
Huh.
I would not say go ahead. I'll say try going ahead.
I was going to clean, but I got distracted. But requesting.
I have no idea how to do that.
In a requesting manner.
Yeah.
I was going to clean,
But I got distracted.
but I got distracted.
I was going to clean. I can't do this. I don't-
You no, there's no opt out one option.
What am I requesting her?
Just you have to say this line that you are requesting. In a requesting manner, you have to say this line.
I was going to clean, but I got
I got
distracted.
distracted.
I was going to clean, but I got distracted.
Pass, Sarah, pass or fail?
So badly failed. So
I
bad.
didn't understand the.
Okay.
Yeah, because say for example, if I've told you something
How you
to
do
clean,
it? Sure.
I've told you something to clean and you haven't, and then you say you got distracted.
Oh. You
Okay.
tell me what to do.
Next for Sarah, you have failed this, so you lose 1 point here. Sarah is leading. Why did you leave your shoes there? Crying.
Crying.
Yes.
Big boss, time yaad aa raha hai. Why did you leave your shoes there?
She's an actor, by the way.
I agree to it, of
तो
course.
प्रोडक्शन ही एक्टिंग है ना.
Of course. Don't you dare touch my fries, laughing.
Don't you dare touch my fries.
Yeah.
Don't you dare touch my fries.
Try it.
Okay, one last. I told you so,
Oh.
but in a very romantic way. Both of you will say this, so that we know the winner.
To see this. Now this by yours.
Oh God.
You should have seen the last one. You missed that.
I missed it. Shit.
What is that line again?
I told you so, but in a romantic manner.
Okay. I told you so.
Your turn, Arjun.
That's so romantic.
That is, please.
I told you so.
Okay. So on that rather happy note, we would like to end this interview. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and keep watching Midday.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે. બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન.